Kalonzo Musyoka and Raila are coming with a pay bill number. And Kenyans must ignore these fraudsters. They are fraudsters. They are masquerading themselves as liberators. So we are telling Kenyans to be very, very careful. This is just like, you remember the law we dealt on, gambling. Yeah, you remember we did the 50% taxation on gambling. So what they are trying to do is another gambling. We don't want to hear stories of commissioners and secretariat or staff of IEBC. Each one of them has taken an oath of office. Even returning officers have taken oath of office. So please clean your house, speak to the nation, offer leadership, prepare the infrastructure for Kenyans to go to the elections on the 17th of October 2017.